Today we are going to make sous vide steak. We're going to use our first of our dry aged beef cuts from the Kingsford Steak Ager 45, and simple recipe. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. I'm going to put some fresh rosemary and thyme sprigs in, and some fresh crushed garlic cloves and some lemon zest, and then we will sous vide cook it. Afterwards we will sear it on our Searzall torch attachment. I'm excited. I just got this. I'm excited to use it and try it out. So to start off, we'll season it liberally with salt and pepper. Place this in our vacuum seal bag. Place some lemon zest on top. Sprigs of rosemary and thyme. And actually our fresh garlic cloves. Using our vacuum sealer, we will seal the bag. Here's our vacuum sealed steak ready to go in the sous vide bath, and after it is in the bath for 2 hours, we will go ahead and take it off and sear it. Okay, I have my sous vide machine set to 128 degrees, water bath going. We have our steak. We're going to place our steak in here. We're going to let it go for about 2 hours. Just make sure that the steak is fully submerged. Let it go for about 2 hours. We'll take it out and then we will sear it. Okay, we pulled the steak off out of the sous vide bath and we're going to go ahead and sear it. So let's get started.